I'm going to show you how you can get started with Moomoo Australia. First off, you want to sign up. Let's just tap on sign up here. I'm just going to sign up with a Google account right here. Now, once I sign in with a Google account, let me just sign in real quick here. Let me just sign in with this Google account. I'm going to tap on continue like this. Now, once it's loaded, you can just skip the verifying the phone number part. I'm just going to skip it. I'm going to skip again. Now, once we made an account, we can now download the app. Let's just tap on download. There's a mobile version and there's also a desktop version. I'm just going to download the desktop version. Tap on download now here. Now it'll download like this. Let's just wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, let's just open it up like this. Let's just wait for it to load. Now we can tap on install here. Tap on install. Now you can see it'll have a progress bar like here. Let's just wait for it to install completely here. Almost done here. Only 1% left. Now once it's done, tap on open like this. Now let's just wait for it to load like here. Once here, we just have to log in again. Let's just log in with Google, same thing like before. Once logged in, you'll see a screen just like this. So right now, you'll have a watch list. You'll have a market. There's an account here as well. Although you do have to open an account. There's custom here as well. There's also discover here that you can do as well, right? So like options, screeners, news, algo, shortcuts, and paper trade. To actually open an account and start trading, you'll have to open an account, obviously, right? So just tap on open account here. Now, you'll have to go through the process on the open account section here. Let's just wait for it to load. Now, on here, you'll have to fill out a couple of forms, right? You need to pick if you're a Singaporean citizen or you're a foreigner residing in Singapore or other, right? So if you're other, if you're from a foreign country, you'll have to have an passport or identity card, an employment status if applicable, and also proof of address. Tap on next. And then on here, you will have to fill out all of these forms here, right? So for example, citizenship, place of birth, your passport number, your passport expiry date, your first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, and things like that to actually start trading in Moomoo here, right? Although without an account, you can actually already do a lot like the market and also the watch list of any stocks you want to buy or things like that here, right? So for example, Apple, Nvidia, you can see here Nvidia, the stocks is kind of low. Tesla as well, it's actually declining. Moomoo, it peaked at some point, but now it's declining. SIA as well, it's declining as well. TPS declining. Bitcoin, it used to be at a peak, but right now it's declining as well. XRP as well, declining as well. All of things are declining here, right? Although again, if you want to actually start trading, you'll have to open an account, and to open an account, you will have to fill out this form, all of these.